dig a big hole. By the end of the song, the shovels, they might work, but it would take too long. I know what will help us. It's big, yellow, and strong. The excavator will dig that hole before too long. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. We have dug a big hole, but now there's earth everywhere. We need to pick it up and move it over there. We could use our hands, but that's not what we'll do. The front loader will do the work for me and you. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. Good job moving the earth. Now we need to take it away. We could carry it ourselves, but that would take all day. Wait, I've got an idea for what we can do. The dump truck can take it away and make this place look brand new. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. The truck has dumped the earth now. We need to spread it around, so it doesn't look like someone made a big old mess here on the ground. The dozer will spread it, and that's the thing we'll use. The song is nearly done, look how the time flew. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. Hey! Ho! Awesome!
Yep, just a few more twists. Oh, hey, what's up, my friends? It's me, Handyman Hal. Just working on this piece of machinery with this awesome tool. What is it? It's a wrench. That's awesome. Let's finish it up here. Got a few more twists and turns right here. Yep, there it is. Awesome. Check out this awesome piece of machinery. It's a roller. How awesome is that? Handyman Hal, he's got a plan. Let's find out how this works. Come on.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, a little more, a little more. Oh, it's revving up. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. How awesome was that? We got to ride on the roller. Well, let's check out and see how this thing operates. Woo! Check out this really cool engine. Of course, all big machinery's got to have a cool engine, right? Check out how this thing works, man. So cool. Oh, it's even got a dipstick, an oil dipstick. That's really awesome. Put that in there, make sure that's good to go. Yep. It's even got some really cool air filters. It's got one, and it's got two. Of course, it gets really dusty and dirty out here. Gotta make sure the engine stays clean, right? That's really awesome. Oh, check this out. It's even got a really cool backup alarm. Beep, 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 beep. Of course, you gotta let everybody know that you're backing up, right? Yep, sweet. Check all this out right here. It's got a really cool big oil filter right there. That's neat. And it's got a really cool fan. Of course, it's gotta stay cool. But check out these huge tires. Oh, that's awesome. To go through some mud, some dirt, all kinds of sand. That's really awesome. Let's hop up here and check out how this thing really works. Up, all the way up here. Oh yeah, there we go. Check this out. We got all these cool little controls up here. This button right here, this turns it on. Check out this lever. We're gonna go forward and it goes in reverse. That's really cool. This one, it's called the throttle, which makes it go really, really fast up and really, really slow. That's really, really cool. And of course, you got your steering wheel. Oh, that's pretty awesome, right? Oh, well, let's hop down and check out the rest of this. Woo! But the best part, it's the roller. This is totally awesome. Can you believe it weighs 14,000 pounds? That's really heavy. That's almost as heavy as an elephant. Oh, but really the reason why is so it can pack dirt and pack the ground and get ready for roads, even parking lots. I think this is gonna be a parking lot. That's totally awesome, right? Oh, I got a great idea. I got some really cool objects we might can roll over. Come on, let me go get those real quick. Oh wow, my friends. Check out these really cool objects. We got some safety cones, nice bright and orange. I wonder how they're gonna squish. Oh, check it out. We got some eggs. Oh, there's 18. Oh, nope. We got another 18. That makes 36. Oh yeah, that's great. We even got some ketchup. Oh, that's gonna be great. Got some French fries. Oh yeah, that's great. We even got some watermelons. Oh, I love watermelon. But we're gonna squish them today. We even got some sodas. We got some green soda. We got some orange soda. And we got some root beer. Oh, this is gonna be great. Come on, let's lay them out. Let's start out with the cones. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's see, should we do them side by side or one right in front of the other? Yeah, let's do that right there. One there, one there, one there. That's gonna be awesome. Come on, let's get some eggs. Oh, how about we just put one whole carton down at one time? Oh, that's gonna be great. Yep. Oh yeah, here we go. We'll put them right there. Oh, and we're gonna put them right there. That's gonna be awesome. Scrambled eggs. Oh, how about some ketchup for some fries and some chicken fingers? Oh yeah, here we go. How about that right there? Oh, this is gonna be awesome. All right, we got some watermelons. Oh yeah. Who needs a knife to cut it up when you got a roller? We'll put it in the center right there. There's one. And let's get one more. Oh, yep. Oh, that's a heavy one. Oh, yep, yep. And one right there. That's gonna be really awesome. Oh yeah. And we got some sodas. We got some green and some orange sodas. We'll put one right there. Oh yep. And some orange soda. And don't forget the last one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Some root beer. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's straighten that one back up. Oh, we got our track all nice and set. We got our cones. We got our eggs, our ketchup, our watermelons, and all of our sodas. Let's go crank it up and let's roll over them. Let's go. Ha ha. Let's do this. Oh, this is gonna be totally awesome. Climb right on up here in the big driver's seat. Oh yeah. Crank it up. Here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's do some squishing. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's get that throttle up. Oh yeah. And here we go. Oh yeah. First comes the cones. Oh, I hear him crunching. Oh, and there's the eggs. Scrambled eggs. Oh, scrambled eggs. Oh, and now the ketchup bottle. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. Let's keep on going. Oh, we got the watermelon next. Oh, yeah. And then squishing it. And then squishing it. Oh, yeah. Watermelon for everybody. This is totally awesome. Alrighty. Here comes the green soda. Oh, there it is. And the orange soda. Oh, look, there it is. And last but not least, the root beer. Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. My friends, wasn't that totally awesome? Oh, we made a big mess. Now we got to clean it up. Well, I got my blue trash can and my shovel. Let's start. Oh, check out these cones. Oh, look how they got squished. Oh, that's totally awesome. Oh, yeah, there's one. There's two. Oh, check this one out. It's broke completely in half. And there's three. That's totally awesome. All right. Check it out. Talk about scrambled eggs. Who's ready for breakfast? Oh, those are totally awesome. All right, yep. Into the bucket it goes. Oh, and the second one here. Oh, yep. 2 scrambled eggs. There it is. That's awesome. Oh, check out these ketchup bottles. Oh, they look demolished. You remember? Yeah, they busted the lids off and the ketchup went spurting so far. Oh, that was totally awesome, right? Oh, yeah. Yep. All right, let's get the first one. Yep, into the bucket. There you go. And our second one. Fries, anybody? That's awesome. Oh, wow. Check out this watermelon. Oh, wow. It's a watermelon pancake. Oh, that roller just squished it like a pancake. Now I need some syrup. Oh, that's awesome. All right, in there. Couple scoops here. There we go. Totally awesome. Oh, it smells good. Do you like watermelon? Handyman Hal does. It's totally awesome, especially when you're rolling over it. Let's check out these soda bottles. Oh, yep. Check out the green soda bottle. Oh, it busted the whole entire lid open. That was awesome, right? Oh, yeah. It's like a soda fountain. That's awesome. Got that one. Oh, check out the orange one. It did the same thing. Oh, that's totally awesome. That was easy. And the last one right here. Oh, yep. Did the same thing. It busted it right open. Root beer for everybody. That's awesome. Oh, there it is. And the orange soda. Oh, folks, there it is. And last but not least, the root beer. Here it goes. Oh, wow. Well, we got one last thing to get. A little teeny tiny white cap there. Oh, yep, in the bin.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
And we get to use this one today to flatten out the dirt we put out. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, ooh, I like the seat. This is great. All right, let's see. Safety first. Seatbelt. There we go. Awesome. Oh, let's crank it up. Here we go. Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. Oh, all right, let's see. Let's get the rolling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, woo. That was a lot. All right. Oh, all right. Let's spin it around. So one more time. Let's roll over it. Let's roll over it on this side right here. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. Gets a little dusty in these construction sites. Aren't rollers amazing? Oh, yes. Oh, we can turn it. Oh, we can go to the right. Oh, and we can go to the left. Oh, this is great. Oh, let's see. Here we go. We're coming up on the dirt. Oh, yeah. Let's roll over this. Oh. Oh, wow. That's amazing. You know this roller is 25,000 pounds. That's a lot. Oh. We can use rollers for all kinds of stuff. For flattening out the earth and making roads, leveling out gravel, and rolling over watermelons. That's great. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. You're doing such a great job. This roller has a really cool panel. We've got all our gauges on here. We've got our gas on here. Even got a horn. Oh, yep, we sure do. We got an emergency shut-off switch. And we got this really cool joystick. This is how the roller moves. It revs up. We can go to forward. And we can go in reverse. It's totally awesome. Rollers are amazing. Oh, hey, my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing awesome today. Cool, check out these cool little pumpkins. Oh, they're awesome. But better yet, check out this awesome roller. Oh, this is awesome. Today, we're gonna roll over pumpkins with this roller. Come on, let's go.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal the handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Wow, look at these pumpkins. They're really tiny, aren't they? Well, compared to this big, huge roller, we need some bigger pumpkins. Oh, yeah. So we've got 4 of the tiny ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, yep. And we got 4 of the big ones. So let's lay them out and we can get to squashing them. All right, here, let's see. Where should we put these? Let's see. Maybe like 2 right here. Oh, yeah. That looks kind of cool. All right, 2 more. 2 more. Yep, that's good. Now, how about the big ones? Oh, these are really cool. Yes. Let's see. We'll put one right here. Okay, yep. We'll get 2 more. Let's see, one right here. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Maybe we can make some pumpkin pie with what's left over. Yeah. One more. Let's do this. We'll come all the way down here. Maybe like right here. Oh, let's spread these out a little bit more. Here we go. There. Awesome. I think that's it. Come on. Let's go get in the roller. Let's go. Look at this roller. It is awesome. Hello? Hello? This is awesome. Oh, you can hear my echo in there. This is going to be awesome. Come on. Oh, this is really cool. Check this out. Right behind these steps here. Get them up. Oh, yeah. Look. Inside here is where all the batteries are kept. This thing runs off with 2 batteries. That's really awesome. Oh, wow. So that's really cool how it works inside there. Yeah, it's got a little switch. Gotta make sure that that's on. Then we gotta crawl all the way up here. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh, this is awesome. All right, well, we're in the driver's seat. Oh, this is really cool. We got our steering wheel. We got all these really cool buttons. It's got the brakes. Oh, yep. And the RPMs. Those are cool. And of course, this right here. This is like the gear stick. We can go forward and we can go in reverse. Oh, that's really, really cool. All right, well, let's crank this thing up. Let's see. Oh yeah, you hear that? Oh, you love the sound of an engine, right? All right, well, let's get this smashing. Oh, I think there goes the 2. Oh, the 2 tiny ones. Oh, and there goes the second 2 tiny ones. Now we gotta get to the big ones. All right, here we go. Oh man, it looks like a pumpkin pancake. Oh yes, that's awesome. And the last one. Oh. Yes, that was great. Oh, yes. There's pumpkin juice everywhere. Oh, yeah. Come on. Hop down here. Come on. Let's see what it did. Oh, check this out. Look. They're no more round pumpkins. They're flat. They look like pumpkin pancakes. Look at all them pumpkin guts with them seeds. Oh, this is really cool. Look at the tiny ones. This is really cool. Oh, it's like you just busted them in half. That's really awesome. Oh, you know what? Since we got a really big roller, how about some really big pumpkins? Come on, let's get them. Oh, wow. Look at this jumbo pumpkin. Not only do we have 1, but we've got 4. Oh, look how big these are. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. So let's line them up and let's smash them. Oh, we're gonna do them one at a time, I think. Way over here. Oh, yep, there we go. Look at this one. Oh, these are heavy. All right, one right there. One more. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All the way down here. All right, one right there. Well, this is gonna be great. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, listen at this sound. Oh, this roller's on its way. Get ready, pumpkins. Oh, wait. We gotta back up just a little bit. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. There we are. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. There he goes. Oh, there's one. Oh, and there goes number 2. Oh, yeah. Almost to the 3rd one. Oh, here we go. Yes. Listen to the crunch. Oh, yeah. We're flattening them. Oh, yeah. And the last one. Oh, yes. That was totally awesome. these pumpkin guts on this roller. How cool is that? Oh yeah. Can you smell it? It smells like pumpkin. Maybe it's like some pumpkin pie. Come on. Let's check this out back here. Wow. It's the biggest pumpkin pancake ever. We got one there. Oh, one there. Oh yeah. That's cool. Check these out. Oh yeah, that's cool. And look, we got some jumbo ones. We got some big ones. And then we got these little teeny tiny ones. Well, that was awesome, but we got to clean up. So let me go get my trash can and my shovel. Come on. Oh, let's see, get this little teeny tiny one here. Oh, well, that was easy. All right, there's one. And there's two. Bloop. Oh yeah. And 3 small ones here. Oh yeah. Look like little teeny tiny pancakes. Come on, get on this shovel. There, come on. There, there it is. All right, and there you go. Let's get these big ones here. Oh yeah. Look at all these pumpkin seeds. Oh yeah. Oh, this has made a mess. Oh, scoop it all up. Check it out. Look at all of that stuff. Oh, that was awesome. In the bucket it goes. Here we go. Can we get it? Oh yeah. These are huge. Oh, biggest pumpkins I think I've ever seen. Looks like pumpkin spaghetti. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh, this was great. All right, my friends, let's get this last bit up. It's raining, so we gotta hurry. Oh, we've had such an amazing time smashing these pumpkins. What do you think we should smash next with this awesome roller? We could smash anything. Oh yeah. Let's see. Pick this up some more. There we go. Oh yeah. We're getting there. Almost got it all. Oh yeah, just a couple more scoops. Let's go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right. There we go. Let's get it back to where it goes. Woo! Well, we've had such an amazing day today on this amazing roller. We smashed some small pumpkins, some big pumpkins, and some jumbo pumpkins. And we had such an awesome time. But thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. Have an awesome day. See you later. Woo!
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal the handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh man, it's a lot of pumpkin. You can see the rain come. It made this extremely heavy. Handyman, he has a plan. You gotta drop it on the ground a little bit. Oh yeah. Right, I think we got the perfect spot for it.
Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Looks like my car broke down, nowhere to go. I'm stuck out here on the right side of the road. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Handyman Hal's got a truck, gonna give me a tow. In the tow truck, in the tow truck. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me, Handyman? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Something is wrong with the motor on this boat. Oh no. It just won't start. The only thing it wants to do is float. Please start, little motorboat, please start. Will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. The handyman can fix it with the drill, and away we go. Woo! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me, Handyman? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Oh, can you help me, please? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. What are we gonna do with this big old pile of bricks? Big old pile, yes, big old pile. So many of them lost count after number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Oh yes I know. Hal's got a forklift, he can shift them like a pro. Awesome! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. My car is so dirty, it needs a clean. But the water won't go through the car wash machine. What will I do? Wait a second, oh yes I know. Hal's got a wrench and he's gonna make the water flow. So awesome! Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help? Can you help me? Can you help me, please? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help bring all those handy tools? Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. You're gonna fix it, cause that's what you do. Awesome! Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. We need to dig a big hole. By the end of the song, the shovels, they might work, but it would take too long. I know what will help us. It's big, yellow, and strong. The excavator will dig that hole before too long. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. We have dug a big hole, but now there's earth everywhere. We need to pick it take it away. We could carry it ourselves, but that would take all day. Wait, I've got an idea for what we can do. The dump truck can take it away and make this place look brand new. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. The truck has dumped the earth now. We need to spread it around, so it doesn't look like someone made a big old mess here on the ground. The dozer will spread it, and that's the thing we'll use. The song is nearly done, look how the time flew. Oh, Hal is here, he's brought the crew. We have so much work to do. We are glad you brought yourself. The work is tough, we need your help. Hey! Ho! Awesome!
Oh, thanks, Mr. Mailman. You have an awesome day. Oh, we got a package. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Oh, look. It says to Handyman Hal. Oh, and from a scientist in a lab. Oh, I wonder what's in here. Box opener. Be really careful. It's really sharp. All right, so nice and easy. We don't want to damage the contents. Oh, there we go. One on this side here. Here we go. Oh, let's open it up. Oh, let's see. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Oh, it's my shipment. A whole case of Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. Oh, yes. Oh, I've been waiting for this stuff to come in. Oh, let's make sure that it's good, though. Let's see here. Oh, smells about right. Let's make sure that the sprayer works. Let's see. Yep. Oh, it does. Oh, and we've got a whole case of it. You know, this stuff is really good. It works wonders. Oh, even on water slides. Oh, yes. Oh, so let's get that back in there. A whole case worth. Let's go get it on some slides. Let's go. All right, my friends. We're at the top. Check this out. We are really high. You can see everything from up here. Oh, you can see the animals. Oh, you see all the tires down there. This is awesome. But let's check out the slide. That one's closed. This one isn't. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, this is great. This is awesome. You can hear my echo. Cool. Come look at this. Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah. But I got a great idea. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. Oh, it's the best stuff in the world. Oh yes. Of course, it's a big slide, so we've got to use a good amount. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll get it in there. Oh yeah. All right, sweet. I think that might be enough. Let's do a little bit of wiping right here. Okay. Get down in there. Okay. All right. Oh, yep. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, yeah. This is going to be great. All right. Let's take off the tool belt and let's go have some fun. Here we go. Yep. Okay. Whoa! I see at the bottom. Whoa! Wow! That was awesome! Oh yeah! Oh, wow! Oh, wasn't that so much fun? Come on, let's go do it again. My friends, that was so awesome. We gotta do this again. Come on. Whoa! Wow, that was awesome. Let's go do this again. Oh yeah, that was totally awesome. The coolest rides ever. The super slide spray, it really works. But check this out. This is like huge industrial pipes that they use on construction sites. They brought it out here to Thompson Farms to make this gigantic slide. How cool is that? Oh, look at these slides. Oh, it's like a double slide. We are applying some more Handyman Hal super slide spray to make them go really fast. Oh yeah. That's amazing. Oh, that's good there. Let's wipe this side down a little bit. Perfect. Oh yeah. And then here, there's a bigger slide that we need to get to. But we gotta go through this humongous obstacle course to get to it. So come on, let's go. Ooh. Come on. There we go. All right, come on, let's go. Gotta watch out. We got some swinging obstacles here. Oh, yep. Let's see. Think we might need to go up. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, this is really cool up here. Come check this out. We got some really cool swinging objects here. Oh, look. It's the slides. But I think we got to go up a little higher. Come on, let's go. Gotta spin through this. Wow. It's really cool. Gotta go up one more level. Come on. Let's go. Oh, almost there. Oh, wow, my friends. Look, we made it to the top. You can see that right there. That is their main court. Well, that's a lot of trampolines. We're gonna have to check that out later. Oh, yeah. But I think the opening to the slides over here. Come on. Oh, look. It's tic-tac-toe. Oh, I love this game. Oh, have you ever played it before? Oh, 3 in a row. We gotta get it. All right, so let's see. Maybe a 0 there or an O there. Maybe an O there. An O there. And of course we got X's to block them, right? Oh, well, we can do this. Oh, look. 3 O's. Tic-tac-toe. Awesome job. Oh, come on. Let's go to this slide. Oh yeah, check this out. This looks amazing. Look down there. It twirls around and around. Oh, this is gonna be great. But we gotta use our super slide spray. So let's do this. Hold on. Be right back. Gotta go inside. Oh yeah. There we go, there we go. Oh, that's perfect. Gotta wipe it down. Oh yeah. Get it all nice and slippery. Oh, yes. This is gonna be great. Are you ready? Come on. Let's try it out. Let's go! Whoa! I think that was a little too much Handyman Hal super slide spray. But that was awesome. All right, my friends, now we get to test out some cool slides. This one is called the tube. Come on, let's go. Ooh, watch your step. No. Oh, yes. This is gonna be so much fun. Ooh, got a little ways to go. Oh, wow. You can even see the ocean out there. Look at that. That's great. All right, come on. We still got some more to go. We made it to the top. Wow. Looks pretty awesome up here. See all kinds of cool stuff. But check out this slide. Oh, this looks awesome. We got our tube. Let's put our tube in here. Look at this thing. Looks like it's gonna be fast. But the handyman has a plan. Oh, Handyman Hal super slide spray. Ooh, this is gonna be great. It even works on water slides. Oh, all right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, get it in there really good. This is gonna be great. Oh, yes. Extra fast, here we come. Oh, all right, there we go. Now let's get ready to ride. Let's get our tube ready. Let's have a seat. Woo! Oh, wow. Let's go. This is gonna be great. Oh, here we go. Whoa! Woo! This is really fast. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that was awesome! Handyman Hal supersized play really well. You can see the whole entire playground from here. Oh, this is really awesome. Oh, they've got a lot of slides. Oh, let's count them. There's 1, there's 2. Oh, there's 3, there's 4. Oh, there's 5. Oh, there's 6. And there's 7. Oh, wow. There's 7 slides. You know what this calls for? Handyman Hal. Ah! Super slide spray. Oh, that's awesome. Come on, let's go. Oh, look. My friends, this is a 3-in-1. Oh, there's 1, 2, and 3. Oh, this one's really cool. Let's get some super slide spray on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is gonna be great. My friends are gonna love this. It's gonna make them super fast. Ooh, yeah. On there. Swipe that down a little bit there. Looks great. And right here. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's try it. Here we go. Whoa! Wow, that was awesome. Oh, here's the loopy slide. Oh, I like this one. This one's cool. Oh, let's get this on here. Wipe it down some. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is gonna make it go super fast. Here we go. Let's go. Whoa! Oh, made me a little dizzy. That's great. Oh, this one's really cool. This one is a loopy slide, but it's like a tunnel. Oh yeah. Let's get some super slide spray in here. Oh, hold on. Let's get way in here. Oh, okay. Let's wipe it down. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, let's try it out. Let's go. Whoa! Wow, that was awesome. Oh, we made it to the top. Oh, check this out. This is where the last 3 slides are. We got one way over there. Oh, that one looks kind of cool. And we got the other 2 on this side. Oh, this one's cool. All right, let's spray this down. Get some super slide spray in there. Oh, yep. On this side too. Get it down there. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay, there we go. Wipe that down. Wipe this one down. Okay, this one down. Let's go try it out. Oh, let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, that was amazing. And look, they even got a slide. So of course, we gotta check it out. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be great. Oh, of course, you know what we have to use. Oh, yeah. Handyman Hal, super slide spray. Oh, yeah, let's see. Oh, we gotta turn it on. There it goes. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be great. Oh, I love slides. Oh, all right, so we got it in there. Let's wipe it down. Okay, let's wipe it down. Okay. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Oh, there we go. Oh, hold on. We gotta get in here really good. Okay. Oh, really good. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, are you ready? Let's go. Oh, here we go. Whoa! Oh, wow. That was awesome. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? It's a slide, but not any slide. Look at that. It's a loopy slide. And it's got 1, it's got 2, and it's got 3 loops in it. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. But I got an idea. I know how to make it even better. Look what I've got. I've got some Handyman Hal super slide spray. This is gonna be awesome. So let's get this on. Oh, let's see here. Oh, there it is. We're gonna spray some in there just like that. Oh, this is gonna make it awesome. All right, there we go. And then we got some paper towels in here and we're gonna wipe this down. Oh, and you know what this does? This makes it extremely super fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Get that in there, get that in there. Let's try it out. Come on, let's go. Here we go. Woo! Oh, wow. That was totally awesome. That super slide spray, it's good stuff. It really works. It's totally awesome. Look at this slide. This one's a blue one. Oh, it's got some sand on there. Let's get that off. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool,
Is your
too.
slide slow? Well, then you have to try Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. That's right, Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray is bioengineered by a scientist in a lab to fix any slow, boring slide. Just watch as Handyman Hal applies it to any slide, and it takes action, going to work right away. The scientifically engineered molecules work deep down below the slide surface to ensure a fast, fun slide.
Awesome.
That is awesome, but don't take our word for it. Just listen to what this happy customer has to say.
Our family has been using Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray for years. Before, our slide was slow and disappointing. Now it's faster than ever. Thanks, Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray. It's awesome.
I know. Handyman Hal Super Slide Spray works on any kind of slide. Small slides, big slides, loopy slides, and even water slides. Amazing. Careful, kid. Stay on the slide. Oh, there you go. So call now and order yours today. Handyman Hal Slide Spray is not a real product. It's just a fun way to say thanks for watching Handyman Hal.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal the handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Tools, all kinds of tools. Which one will Handyman Hal use? He's got a plan for today. We're gonna laugh, dance, have fun, and play. Need to hang something on the wall. Hammer and nail is your best call. But if it's real heavy and they just won't do, this drill will do the job for you. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say. We're not done, it's just begun. We're gonna go to the aquarium. Sea turtles are on parade, and we're gonna feed those awesome stingrays. Penguins for the win. When I see them, can't help but grin. Fun for everyone, all day long at the aquarium. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say. Guaranteed to hit the mark, bouncing at the trampoline park. We gotta be safe and super careful, cause this place is so delightful. Be sure you don't fall when you're climbing the rock wall. Trust me, you will be just fine, zooming past on the zip line. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say. I just can't believe this place that I have found. Everybody come quickly to the playground. We can play all day and hear that awesome sound. Happy children laughing all around. Ready, set, and off we go. Go-kart racing, don't you know? We gotta go fast, can I take it slow? Can you keep up when we go turbo? There it is, the finish line. Victory is almost mine. First place, awesome, feeling fine. Look at my gold medal, shine awesome. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say. Handyman Hal, having fun today. You're awesome, as he would say.